This conference will now be recorded.
So our concept is functions అయినాయి కదా. ఫంక్షన్స్ లో ఎక్కడున్న ఇండెక్స్ సి అయింది అనుకుంటా, ఇండెక్స్ డబ్ల్యూ. ఇండెక్స్ డబ్ల్యూ అయిపోయింది కదా. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ లెంత్ ఫంక్షన్. Length function what it will do, if you wanted to count a number of characters in a variable, then we can use length function. If you wanted to count number of characters in a variable, then we can use length function. So if you see here, how many characters are there for the text Vishnu? Mr. Vishnu, total how many characters are there? 9 characters are there. So you get 9 characters into your variable B. You see, right? 9 characters are there. Okay, right. Next, I see strength is today very less. Right. Length n function, what it will do? Whenever we are performing length for a missing value, it retains one single space and it will show length as 1. Whenever you are performing length for a missing value, you see, right? C is equal to length of A. So in variable C, I stored length of A. Whenever you're applying length function for a null value, it returns one single space and it will show length as 1 character. Actually speaking, there is nothing, but still it is showing length as 1 character. So this is same like your ఏం చెప్పుకున్నాం ఇంకోటి ఏం చెప్పుకున్నాం same like we have used one more function. So whenever we are applying that function, it also giving one space. So what is that function? నాకు అర్థమైంది, మీరు ఎంత చదువుతున్నారా. Trim function. Trim function, I have used trim n so that it will remove that space and it will make it as clear, empty, trailing blanks. It will remove all the trailing blanks. So now if you see here, same case, length function is used. You can see, right? So it is 0, but it is 1. So whenever applying length function, it will return one single space and it will show length as 1. So actually there is nothing, it should show 0. So in that case, I should use length n function. Okay, is that clear? మీరు ఎట్టగా చదవండి, నేను ఫంక్షన్స్ అన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ అని చెప్పా, ఆ తర్వాత మీ ఇష్టం, మీ కర్మ. రైట్, నౌ reverse function what it will do is it will reverse your text. Suppose to say if you run the program, you see reverse. So it's right, it started with you, ended with m. It started with you, ended with m, correct? Right. Next, quote function. If you wanted to apply quotation marks, then we can use quote function. C is equal to quote of A. So you see, right, it will apply double quotation marks for your character values. If suppose to say, if I wanted to remove this quotation marks, actually if you want, I can give. If you wanted to remove, then I have to use D is equal to D quote of C. For variable C, you have quotation marks, right? So if you wanted to remove them, I can use D quote function. So you see, right, D, Mr. Vishnu. Clear to everyone, yes or no? Quote, decode. So now I have a data set code 3. So name 1 is equal to quote of name. So how we are, what value you will see in your variable name 1? What value will you see in your variable name 1?
ABC.
So now if you see here, ABC in double quotation marks, correct? Yes or no? ABC in double quotation marks, right? So what we will do? What we will do? So you will have space because variable name has 8 characters, right? After 8 characters only it will give the double quotation marks. Okay, means you will see ABC 5 spaces. After that you will see that ending double quotation marks. If you wanted to remove trailing blanks, trim function. And if you wanted to decode, you see, right? Code 3a, you can see ABC. After that, 5 spaces, you see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you wanted to remove these trailing blanks, first of all, I have to apply trim function. On top of that, I have to apply code. And if you wanted to remove, decode. I hope everyone is clear with name 1, 2, 3. Rank function. Rank function, what it will do? Rank function, how it will work? Rank function, what it will do is it will apply ranks. So actually speaking, at the backend we will have ranks, correct? At the backend you will have ranks, correct? Okay. So if you wanted to see that rank, you can get it. Okay. So in olden days, how computers used to read your input values? How computers is used to read your values? In binary formats, ones and zeros, whatever the input we have given through keyboard. So that input it used to take in the form of ones and zeros, and it used to take, correct? Right? Fine. So actually later on we have a concept called ASCII. ASCII stands for American Raskondi. ASCII stands for American Standard American Standard Code for Information Interchange, ASCII. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. As per this ASCII, each and every keystroke they will assign ranks at the backend. At the backend in your operating system level, for each and every keystroke they will assign ranks. So if you wanted to see those ranks, then we can use rank function. Okay, so this from here, whatever the character functions I'll teach, these are not important. This is just for your knowledge purpose. So we will not use anywhere in real-time scenarios. This is just for your knowledge purpose. So far till now, whatever I have covered are very much important. Character functions, so far whatever I have covered are very much important. So from here, there are some 5 to 6 functions that are not much important. Okay, so next 5 to 6 functions are not much important. This is just for your knowledge purpose. Okay, if something is important, I'm telling it is important. It is your responsibility to practice well, understand, and implement it. If you're not doing it, you'll be into trouble when doing project. So now you can see rank function at the back end. Whenever I'm applying rank function for a word, it will display rank for first character. First character in this word is C, right? First character here is D. C. So if you run the program RNK1, you see, right? So C, for this C, the rank they have given is 99. For D, they have given 100. Again, it is C, right? So it is showing again 99. For capital M, you have separate. For capital A, you have separate ranks. So you see, right, capital A, you see, right? So if you see what is the rank of capital A, what is the rank of small v, it gives the position of first character only. Capital A position is 65. Small v position is 118. Capital V position will be again different. కావాలంటే చూడండి ఇప్పుడు now right now it has shown 118, right? So if I use capital V and run it, 118 is showing now as 86 because this is the position for capital V. Repeat function will repeat your text n plus 1 times. Repeat function, what it will do is it will repeat your text n plus 1 times. X is equal to repeat of name, comma 10. So as you see here, n value is 10, means 10 plus 1, total 11 times. It will repeat the text Clark in your variable X. So you see a repeat function 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 11. You see, right? Repeat function will repeat your text n plus 1 times. Sound EX, whenever you have different spellings, but pronunciation is same. In that case, your sound EX will give unique codes for observations which are having same pronunciation. In that case, it will give unique codes for observations which are having same pronunciation. You say, right, Y is equal to sound EX of name, Clark, DF Clark. You say, right, SND. C462, you see, right? It is giving unique codes for observations that are having same pronunciation. X is equal to collate of 45 comma 99. So I told, right, at the back end each and every keystroke will be assigned with ranks, correct? At the back end each and every keystroke is assigned with ranks, correct? So if you wanted to see that, you should write 45 comma 99. So if you wanted to see what keystroke is assigned to rank 45, 46, 47, 48 till 99, I wanted to see all the keystrokes that are assigned to the ranks between 45 to 99. So if it is the case, you see, right, we have to use a function called collate function. So this collate function will write, this is a rank 45, this is rank 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 61. 99. So 99 previously we have seen small c got 99, right? Capital A got 65, right? You can count if you want. Correct? So if you wanted to see that, you can see using the function called collate function. Collate of 1 double comma 49. 1 double comma 49, what it will do? 1 double comma 49, what it will do? So from first position it will show 49 characters. Okay, from first position it will show 49 characters. If I write 5 double comma 49, from fifth position it will count 49 characters, it will display those many. Okay, so now you see, right, these are all the special characters you see, right? These are all the values you have. Okay, right, right. Next, ASCII. So ASCII collating sequence, you see, right? 48 double comma 10 means from 48 it will show 10 characters. So what it will do? From 48, 10 characters means what is the end position? 58 or 57? Because you are counting 48 also, you will get 57. Got the point? Right. So I wanted to see what are the ranks that are assigned to keystrokes 48 to 57. So if you want, you can do that. These are numbers. You see, right? These are numbers from 48 to 57. Numbers are assigned. So likewise, if you wanted to see for EBCDIC collating sequence, you see, right? 240 double comma 10 means 240 to 249. So you can see these are all some special characters. These are all some special characters. Correct? Right. These are all some special characters. Okay. Right. The maximum end position for EBCDIC collating sequence is 255. And ASCII collating sequences, you see, right? End position is 0 to 127. So you see, right? Whenever you are creating memory, memory is always a multiple of 128. Avuna? So this is the reason, you see, right? So we have different types of collating sequences. So each collating sequence will have a capacity to store only 128 multiple. You see, right? For ASCII, it is 0 to 127. Whenever you count 0, it is 128. And 0 to 255 for EBCDIC collating sequence. 0 to 255 means 256. Correct? So in backend, in your hard disk, so your memory will, you need to enter 128 characters in one memory base. Okay, one set of memory is 128 characters. Okay, right. So with this, we are done with character functions. Now moving on to numeric functions. So numeric functions are important. First one, mean. So how will you calculate mean? How will you calculate mean? Sum of all the observations by total number of observations. X1 is equal to mean of 2 comma missing comma missing comma 6. Correct? X2 is equal to mean of 2 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay. X3 is equal to mean of X1 minus X2. X4 is equal to mean of X1 to X2. X1 to X2. Okay. Right. Whenever I am writing off inside, you have to consider this series of values. Underline this point. Whenever you are writing off here, you have to consider series of values. Next, mean of X1 comma X2. So if you just run the program, you see DS1, X1 has 4, X2 has 4.25, X3 has minus 0.25. So 4.25 is వచ్చేది 17 divided by 17 కదా, 17 divided by 4 is 4.25, right? So here you have two missing values, right? So 2 plus 6, 8 divided by 2. Number of non-missing values you have to take in denominator, correct? మనందరికి average తెలుసు కదా, how will perform average, we all know, right? Right. X1 minus X2, X1 is taking the value 4, x2 is taking the value 4 minus 4.25, correct? Minus 0.25. For same for one single value, if you are calculating mean, you will get same value. Agree, yes or no? Right. Mean of x1 to x2. It means mean of x1 comma x2. 4 comma 4.25, 8.25 divided by 2, 4.125. The same with x5 as well. Okay. Right. So you see, all the values are clear, everyone? All the values are clear to everyone? Right. Median. How will you calculate median? ఎప్పుడో చిన్నప్పుడు చదివారు. How will you calculate median? Median is middle value, right? Median is middle value, right? So for that, first of all, you have to arrange your data either in ascending order or descending order. The middle value becomes median. Agree, yes or no? So now 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the middle value? 2 and 3, right? So again for that you have to take average. 2 plus 3 divided by 2 is 5 divided by 2, 2.5. Correct? Agree, yes or no? So what is the value of y? Value of y is value of y.
0.
0, sir.
Value of y is 0 is the wrong answer. Just now I told, right? మరి అప్పుడు నేను 4 + 1 divided by 2 చెప్పేవాడిని అనుకున్నారా మీరు ఏమన్నా? నేను ఏం చేశాను ఇక్కడ? మీరు 4 + 1 divided by 2 చేశాను అనుకుంటారనే కదా 1, 2, 3, 4 రాసా. Means first of all we have to arrange your data either in ascending order or descending order, right? మరి ఏం చేయకుండా 0 అని చెప్తే ఎట్లా? 5.5 వచ్చిందా? తన్నాలు పట్టుకొని అందరిని. 0, 3, 4, 5, 8. ఏంటి మిడిల్ వాల్యూ ఏంటి? 5.8. మీరు మ్యాథమెటిక్స్లో కొత్త ఫార్ములాస్ చెప్పకండి. ఓకే, ఇప్పటికే మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ చాలా కష్టం అందరికీ. మీరు కొత్త కొత్త రీసెర్చ్లు చేసి కొత్త కొత్త ఆన్సర్లు చెప్తే జనాలు భయపడతారు. రైట్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ z? 4 ena? Yeah, okay, 4. Right? So it is now 4. So DS2 data set you see, right? First one is 2.5. Value of y is 4. Z is 4. Addition division అయితే వచ్చు కదా, అవి అయితే వచ్చు కదా, పర్లేదా? మేనేజ్ చేస్తారుగా, రైట్? అవి కూడా వస్తాయి, చూద్దాం. Now this is your mean value, this is your median value. Next, minimum value. If you wanted to calculate minimum value, so out of these two values, which value is minimum? Minimum of 7, 4. What is the value?
4.
Minimum of 7, 4. What is the value? 4. Minimum of 2, 6.
2.
Next to x3. Minimum of 2, minus 3, 1, minus 1. Minus?
-3.
-1. 3.
Minus 1 na? Minus 3 ya?
-3.
Minus 1 చెప్పిన వాళ్ళకి ఇంటర్నేషనల్ అవార్డు ఇస్తాను నేను. It is -3, not -1, right? 0. So what value we get? Minimum of x1 to x3. x1 is 4, x2 is 2, x3 is -3. ఏమొస్తుంది? x1 is 4, x3 is -3. అంతేనా? కరెక్టేనా? 4, 2, -3, 0, -3, -3. 4, 2, -3, 0, -3, -3. Correct? మినిమం మ్యాక్స్ దగ్గర కూడా ఎంత టైం స్పెండ్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. So what is the maximum of 7, 4? x2 3, x3, x3 maximum కావాలి నాకు.
2.
మా చిన్ని బంగారు అక్కడ చూడమ్మా ఏముంది 2 ఉంది -3 1 -1 right, it is 2 right, 2 is maximum. x4 4, x6
4.
x6 7, 6, 2 ఏది పెద్దది 7 ఏనా
7.
yes x7 7,
7.
7, x3 is 2, 7, 2, which is the maximum value 7. Okay. Range, how will you calculate range? Maximum value minus minimum value, that is the range. So what is the value of x1 in ds5? x1 is missing. x2 maximum value minus minimum value is the range. What is the value for x2?
3.
4 కదా 4 వచ్చింది కదా మీకు అనుకున్నా
8 sir.
8.
8 sir.
6 minus of okay 8. x3
4.
4, 6 minus 2 4, x4 6 minus 1 5, x5 x1 is missing, x2 is 8, x3 is 4, missing 8, 4. What is the range? What is the range? 4 right?
4.
ఒప్పుకున్నారు. Missing 8 4 5 4, missing 8 4 5 4, correct? Sum function, if you wanted to perform total, you can do it in many ways. So suppose to say you can use this way also. So x1 is equal to sum of 4 9 3 8, x2 is equal to sum of 4 9 3 8 missing, x3 is equal to sum of x1 to x2 48. You see it right? 24 plus 24 48. So whenever you have series of x and y, if you wanted to count, you can write this way: sum of x1 to x4 of y1 to y4. So 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 4 15, 15 plus 9 24, 24 plus 34 58, 58 plus 12 70, 70 plus 74 144, 144 plus 39 183. Antena? Right. So if you run this 183, correct? So another way to do this is, instead of writing x1 to x4, you can write sum of x colon y colon. So if you run the program here, you see 6B data set. You got the same values, right? You got the same values, right? So I can use this way also. And one more point to be noted here, if you wanted to drop series of variables, I can write like this way also. Okay, so if you run the program ds6b, is it showing series of x variables? No, right? So ala kuda drop change raskondi. Whenever you wanted to drop this, you can also drop this. Manni madhye ekkado Google lo chusanu నేను ఒక 27 variables I have to remove. 27 variables I have to remove. I have to remove CE cat, CM cat, okay, CES cat. So అలాగే డొమైన్ వేరియబుల్స్ ఒక 23 రిమూవ్ చేయాలి. ఆల్ 23 రాసే బదులు ఏదైనా షార్ట్ కట్ ఉందా అంటే ఐ సీ దిస్ వే. సిఈ కాలన్ రాస్తే సిఈతో స్టార్ట్ అయిన వేరియబుల్స్ అన్ని ఆటోమేటిక్గా డ్రాప్ అయిపోయినాయి. సో అది గుర్తొచ్చింది, అందుకే మీకు కూడా చెప్పాను. యూ కెన్ సీ. ఓకే రైట్. ఓకే, సో మేబీ టుమారో ప్లీజ్ ప్రిపేర్ బిగ్ నెంబర్స్, స్మాల్ నెంబర్స్, divisions, multiplications, additions. Please prepare tomorrow. We will try to finish this in tomorrow's class. And day after tomorrow, we can start with, character for numeric functions, date time functions. Okay. So this Saturday and Sunday also, I told right, I will take class. Okay. Please attend without fail. Right. Because Saturday and Sunday I'll take more than 1 hour. Okay. All right. That's all for today, guys. Bye. Thank you.